Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Turn on your Denon receiver and select the correct input for streaming, for example, HDMI 1. Verify the receiver is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your iPhone or Mac. Open the Denon remote app to check firmware and apply any available updates, typically shown as one update prompt. Confirm your source device runs iOS 16 or Mac OS 13 and has Airplay turned on in settings. Restart both devices if you cannot see the receiver in Airplay lists after initial setup. Open Control Center on your iPhone or click the Airplay icon on your Mac to start connecting. Tap Screen Mirroring or the Airplay output menu and look for your Denon receiver name. Select the receiver shown in the list, for example, Denon AVR X2700H, and wait for confirmation. If a PIN appears on the receiver display, enter it into your source device to pair securely. Adjust the volume on both the receiver and your device to prevent sudden loud playback and ensure synchronized audio. If Airplay does not appear, restart your router, Denon receiver, and streaming device in that order. Verify the receiver is not on a guest or isolated Wi-Fi network that prevents device discovery. Make sure network firewall or AP isolation settings are disabled for local device communication. Update the receiver firmware and the device operating system when you experience choppy audio or disconnects. As a last step, perform a network reset on the receiver and reconfigure wireless settings to restore reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.